In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car CB radios available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car CB radios mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Baofeng R152 High-Power Tactical Walkie-Talkie. The Baofeng R152 is a rugged, high-power tactical walkie-talkie, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. It features IP55 waterproof protection, a massive 12,000 mAh battery for extended use, and dual-band VHF/UHF coverage for reliable long-range communication. With K-port compatibility, it seamlessly integrates with accessories. Whether hiking, camping, or on duty, this device ensures clear communication in challenging environments. A durable and powerful choice for adventurers. Number 4, Hiroyasu CB1011, 8W40CH CB radio. The Hiroyasu CB1011 is designed for EU/US/IT users, featuring 40 channels for seamless communication and 80 channels for DE users. It offers both AM/FM modes, high/low power selection, 8W/4W, and adjustable squelch control for clear transmission. Its compact design makes it easy to install in vehicles, ensuring reliable performance for truckers, travelers, and professionals. With strong signal capabilities and user-friendly operation, this CB radio is perfect for long-distance communication on the road. Number 3, Retevis MB62 Compact CB Radio for Truckers. The Retevis MB62 is a powerful yet compact CB radio designed for truckers and long-distance drivers. It features a removable microphone for easy installation, 40 storage channels for organized communication, and an LED display for effortless channel selection. With instant channel switching, it enhances safety and convenience while driving. Whether on highways or remote routes, this radio ensures clear communication and reliability, making it an essential tool for professional truck drivers. Number 2, ANYSECU Mini CB Radio CB40M. The ANYSECU Mini CB40M is a compact and powerful CB radio designed for car communication. It offers a frequency range of 25.615 to 30.105 MHz, high/low power control, and emergency channel access, September 19. With 10 groups of channels, users can easily find the right frequency for their needs. Its small size makes it perfect for in-car installation, ensuring smooth and clear communication for travelers, truckers, and off-road enthusiasts. Reliable and affordable, it's a great addition to any vehicle. Number 1, Radtel RT490 GPS Bluetooth Ham Radio Walkie-Talkie. The Radtel RT490 is a feature-packed ham radio designed for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. It offers GPS positioning for real-time location tracking, Bluetooth app programming for easy customization, and IP65 waterproof protection for harsh conditions. With a 2,000 mAh battery, it delivers long-lasting power for extended use. Whether for hiking, emergency response, or ham radio hobbyists, this versatile device ensures reliable communication, making it an excellent choice for adventurers and radio enthusiasts alike.